So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So hey guys, so right now I'm going to do a getaway with me and to chat with y'all. So I want to talk to y'all about something on this channel, and especially about into next year's coming, and I'm going to on YouTube Music. I love using this app, so it's the greatest app ever to use. Come in, subscribe, and press the bell notification. So, let's get started on here. Okay guys, you'll probably see the light. I decided to use my brother's lamp because it comes out really good, and especially I don't have like a ring light, and soon I'm going to buy me a ring light so that I could use that. And I think if I use the ring light, that would come out so much better than, you know, using this. Okay, I don't want to listen to that. That hasn't been that much. Some of my videos that I did wasn't that really good. I know the last video I did, I put out decided with it because I know a lot of YouTubers like me, that small channel that needs music, that need to use, that I use on my channel often, but I didn't use every video all the time. But the ones I kind of use, I use for intros when I kind of doing like last year or something, and some for this year too. You saw my intro. My intro is a little different because I decided to change it because I kind of decided to do like that because I think I feel better like that than doing all that other stuff, because I used to have just my username on the beginning and do like that, and that's why I decided to do something like that because it's kind of, I feel better like that. Then let me get started. I'm just gonna do my makeup first because my brother's in the bathroom and I need to like do my hair. My hair's not really bad. I don't really need no foundation on my face because to me, I'm not going nowhere. So, and soon later I gotta wash it off my face. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and just put some mascara on my lashes. I think that's what I'm just gonna do. And I'm gonna use my foundation to kind of put some on top of my eyebrows, and that's what I'm gonna do. Like I did. I'm still practicing. I've been using my thing. I need to start back using this. I love using this, so I'm just gonna started. And one thing is that y'all need to know, you have to be patient. I know that some of it will be not that good. It's because some days I feel tired and stuff, and I feel like I probably want to make the video, but I need to do it because I don't know, I just kind of really, YouTube needs to be just for fun, and it shouldn't just be like you have to do it every day. You don't necessarily have to do it like, because I don't do it every day. I do often, like every days that I want to do, like Monday or Thursday or Saturday, and might sometimes Friday or Tuesday. I put my videos in at nighttime because I know that I did some research on this, as that you should put your video ups like at between 4 and some be like that. If my videos is not that good, that's probably why I put that video from yesterday, because I want to just show you the music that I kind of use. You can use them, but some of them you might have to put for 30 seconds because I heard that you can't just still use the whole video because it still would get copyright. But if you do use them from intros, still do them for like short music or something like that. In my videos, a lot of small YouTubers would be like that too. So y'all probably should understand that too. When small YouTubers that are starting off, and me, I've been on here for 6 years now, still not growing much, taking time, and I'm learning to just be patient, it's no rush. So I did look up, it says that my channel, I will get more subscribers until probably in 2025. I think that's the year, that's when I would get like about 1,000, I think. Your subscribers, how many you should, or something on it, but really it doesn't matter. It's just about having fun and make YouTube videos. This is all about that. I've been and it understands about YouTube that it's gonna struggle, so I really hope they understand, and I hope this video is Look guys, look, I did my eyebrows really good. Oh my god, I'm proud of myself. I just have to keep practicing it. So that There's the time I love. For the people in California, the ones that with that fire, like, that's just like, I want to pray for these families, especially the ones that looking still missing. Pray for them and the people find them too. So I want to kind of say that too, because it's just kind of sad about that, about the people and other people's channels too. Still support them. I know that if the ones who haven't been on their channel for a while and they just left off their show, it doesn't stand that, but the ones who been on there for and they just started, and still give them a chance because they just started. But the one for me, I've been on here for 6 years, but I'm still here. I never days off because of my, sometimes the internet messed up or my storage messed up, and that stuff happens. And sometimes I be stressed out because when I was in school I was stressed out and I had to focus on that too. But when I go back to college, I might have to focus on that too. But I still will make videos. I might not able to make it like every week. I might have to make it often if I'm able to when I'm not, you know, studying home. Now this year is almost over, and it's going to be over, and I can't, oh my god, oh my lord, it's gonna be some 2019. Like, tell me what y'all resolution y'all gonna do for 2019. Mine, I am going to do a resolution video and talk to y'all with my resolution. Support, still subscribe, and I'm gonna keep going making videos just for fun, and especially I don't have nothing else to do. This is my new mascara because the other one I know I have to change it every year. So how y'all think of it? I don't really got a lot of money, so I just decided not to put a lot on my face. Braids, so I kind of need, sorry, it's just bent like this, but I kind of use this for itching because my hair do be itching. This holds your hair. If you have your hair braid up, like braid back or corner braids or twist, this will hold it, and it holds my hair for, I think, I did it like 4 weeks ago. I think 4 weeks ago, and this is like, it was during the beginning of this month, but the second week of beginning of this month. So this stuff, oh, I love it. I see nobody. Let me turn this light down. It's on my braids and stuff, so I'm just gonna put on my edge of it a little bit because I wish I had my braids. Yay! This is like my favorite. I love the glitter stuff. Hey guys, I accidentally deleted the video that I did my ending video, so just comment and tell me what y'all think what I need to do to help my content on my channel and what I need to do and stuff, because I love makeup challenge reactions and stuff like that, and just put that in the comments below. And also just like, subscribe, and press the bell notification, and I'll see y'all doing on my next video. Sorry about this light, it's too bright. It's really too bright. Let me try that. Okay, I gotta go. Peace.